Okay, there you go. This is a new video, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing off how to make the most out of the NVDA screen reader because the standard NVDA, at least me, I don't really prefer it. Like, you have to use eSpeak to do boring stuff with like stuff is too hard in that screen reader. There's too many commands, there's too many of everything. But add-ons can enhance that with NVDA add-ons. You extend the screen reader functionality, and well, that's what they do. So I'll go through what add-ons I have. Most of them can be downloaded from the nvda add-on store. So yes, let's just go into the nvda add-on list. Okay, so if we have an overview of the nvda add-on store here, and right now you see my installed add-ons, and I will go through it. So we have add-on updater. Everyone probably knows about that. That's something that comes with every pre-packed version of NVDA.
Add-ons documentation, installed version 2023.
Then we have add-ons documentation. This is like, if you go into the help menu, you can just click documentation thing for add-ons, and you can search for add-ons to make the documentation. That's much easier than just going into respective add-on and clicking help, and that's sometimes very hard to find.
Browser nav, installed version 2.5.
Browser nav, I don't think I have this. No, I don't have it enabled. It's basically a browser thingy. I don't know exactly what it does. It annoyed me many ways, so I turned it off.
Check input gestures, installed version 1.
Check input gestures. This is an add-on that does a thing that I have had problems with for a long time. If you have two NVDA gestures that is like the same gesture but for different commands, it will say that, and if you check for it, and I just want to say this already right now, because if you see like two speech thingies, if you have the one of these add-ons I'm going to go through, it's normal, because some add-ons, the add-ons can't change the NVDA source code, they just extend on it. So if add-ons are made to like patch NVDA features, well, there are going to be dual commands. And that's just how it is.
Clock, installed version 2.4.
Clock, this is an add-on that's kind of nice. It has built-in timers and stuff. It has alarms, but the most feature I use the most is the one with formatting of the clock. So like, if I press insert F12 now,
12 o'clock and 0 minutes.
it says it's 12 o'clock and 0 minutes. And that's AM, by the way. Wait, is it PM? I don't know. It's in the middle of the day, by the way. So yeah. So that it customizes that little string and stuff, and you can also set it to like alert you every thing on an interval of the time, like one of those I don't remember what they are called, like these things that those clocks. And then we have
Day of the week, installed version 2023.
Day of the week, and this is an add-on I just keep around if I need it. It's basically, if we, for example, this one I can show off, I think. If we go to tools,
Check
then
schedule alarms, day of the week. Demodic day of the week.
day of the
W.
week,
Get the day of the week. Okay. Type or select
we
day.
can
18, 2000.
type
18, 11, 8, 2011, 8, 2011. You can select a month with the vertical arrows. 18.
let's type
11, 19, 2000. 11, 18, 2023.
okay, let's try this
11,
03
2023. 11. You can select a month with the vertical arrows. 3, 2023. 4-3-2003. You can select a day with the vertical arrows. 3-2-3-3-4-3-5.
If we take my birthday, for example,
3-26-2023. You can select a year with the vertical arrow.
yeah, 2023 has already
3-26-2024.
been. Okay, 3/26/2024. That's my birthday, by the way.
Okay.
If we click that OK button,
Your day Tuesday. Okay.
your day Tuesday. And that means my birthday is going to be on a Tuesday. Oh, what? That seriously sucks. I hate having a birthday on a Tuesday. It's the worst thing I've ever heard. Well. Oh, you know why that's the worst thing I've ever heard? That's because, who likes to have a birthday on a Tuesday? That's like, you have to go to school on your birthday. How fun is that, really? Not so fun, really, if I can say it myself.
Get the day of the week. Okay.
So that's add-on.
Installed Easy Table Navigator. Installed.
Easy Table Navigator. This is basically the thing that allows you to invoke a special mode in nvda, so you can just use the arrow keys to navigate tables. And I used it quite a lot. For example, when I browse the nvda addons directory, and that's a website. For those who doesn't know, that's a website where you can find a lot of nvda add-ons. And I know now there's an add-on store and stuff, but there's still add-ons that I have to go on the internet to find.
Chickens. Installed version.
Emote icons. That, like, when people type, for example, XD in chat, like that. The reason they type XD is that it looks like someone laughing, if I remember correctly. This emote icon thingy reads it like someone laughing or whatever it's. I have it disabled for stuff like LOL, XD. I things for myself, and yeah, so that's stuff like, and it also reads emotes like, yeah. For the
Code Reader. Installed version.
Code Reader. This is just something I installed very recently. It had something to do with chess, and the thing it reads, I don't know if that's chess move annotation or what it is, but yeah, it just describes chess moves in a human-friendly way. Like, if someone said NXPD3, could anyone understand what that means? I'm not an expert on chess moves, but I think that means that a knight captures a pawn at d3. Yeah, like, for the not so inclined in chess, it's not an easy thing to know, so I think that is what that add-on is for, at least. I mean, for reading chess moves in easy to understand way. If I can check that.
Description. Read only proof of concept implementation of addons. Addons. About check input plot. Easy mod chicken code reader. Mod chickens. Encode. This add-on translates a chess game position from code to human-friendly description.
Yeah, it's a chess position thing. Golden cursor, I haven't installed this yet. It's kind of worthless, actually. You don't know what the mouse is.
Allows you to control the mouse movement with the keyboard. For further details, please visit the add-on guide help.
Yeah, it's just controlling the mouse with the keyboard. It's not so helpful. I mean, it doesn't read what is under the mouse. Input log. This is, I didn't show this.
nvda settings. Mouse. Normal configuration.
Nope.
Add-on store. Install.
Didn't work. Oh, now I know. What I said for it. I think no, I didn't set it up. Well, basically you can lock keyboard and mouse.
Kill nvda installed version 0.4 channel stable.
Kill nvda. I don't really know what this is. I got the recommendation on installing it, and now I installed it.
Mozilla apps enhancements installed version 1.
Mozilla app enhancements. This is some shit for some stuff for Thunderbird, my client, and Firefox. So I've not even noticed it. I don't really know what it does something for Mozilla Thunderbird, and I use Thunderbird for my email. Well, I'm planning on. I still usually just go back to Outlook because I get so stupidly frustrated about Thunderbird. But yeah, let's not.
Navigation sound effect. Install
Navigation sound effect. This is what does the
close. Tab channel name. So install description. Actions orts. Speech mode off.
sound. And the thing is, it has a typing sound too, but I disabled the typing sounds because they were kind of unresponsive, but I still have them. Look.
Don't type the name of the program. Folder.
I am typing in the wrong box. You see, I already have them. And I will explain how that I do that. That's not by that add-on, by the way, because yes, this add-on has more sound schemes than the other one I use for typing, but it's like 500 milliseconds late on reacting, and that's just too much delay for me. I want it instant, and I get that by doing this. No beat speech mode. If I press insert S to toggle my speech mode.
Speech mode off. Speech mode talk.
Yeah, no beep speech mode. That's kind of obvious, huh? Isn't it? I don't even know why the beep speech mode exists. This add-on should be implemented in NVDA. Why does that beep speech mode even exist?
nvda dev test toolbox installed version.
NVDA dev test toolbox. That allows me to manipulate some settings for add-on development, and like it gives an easy way to turn scratch pad on and stuff. I think, if I remember. PC Braille keyboard input. I have a Braille display somewhere, but I'm not very fan of it. So when I need to use Braille, which I almost never don't, because I'm better at typing on a normal keyboard, but when I wasn't, this add-on was good for typing in Braille formation. Like if I do.
Don't type the name of the program. Braille input from PC keyboard enabled.
Or let me try to remember.
T H acute
Wait.
H T N dot 6 N
Oh wait.
N K O W space E I
You see, I'm very slow and
M space T Y P I N G space dot 5 space I N space B L R tick A I L.
yeah, that's how so but on normal keyboard. Yeah, just look at this. I will just have to deactivate Braille thingy.
H T S R S space Y I P space L O G G space S E N E E T E N C space A T space E Y B O A R D space B R R L E space A R space Y P space A S space R H space O R A space E Y B O A R D space M T space B E T T E R.
You saw, like that's. Yeah, I think everyone can get why you don't use that add-on. You know, I just typed the whole sentence on keyboard and it took me, what, 1.5 minutes and typed 5 words in Braille. Yeah, that's
Place markers installed version 3.4.0.
place markers is a JAWS feature actually, I think. Yeah, that wasn't JAWS, I used JAWS, yes. So it is a thing that you can basically press a start selection and an end selection, and then you can just copy everything between there.
Installed version.
Dictionary, this is a Yeah, but it sounds like a quick dictionary.
Support. Installed version. 2.
What this is standard NVDA remote, I think.
Tools view log remote submenu E. Connect C.
Yeah,
Submenu E.
NVDA remote.
Add-on store. Installed resource monitor. Installed version.
Resource monitor. This is wait. Why is it not working?
4.26 gigabyte.
Yeah.
C. NTFS drive.
You
320.93
can
gigabytes.
okay, I'll show off my computer right now.
Average CPU load 1.2, core 1, 4.2, core 2, 0.7, core 3, 1.9, core 4, 0.5, core 5, 1.2, core 6, 0.4, core 7, 1.1, core 8, 0.6, core 9, 2, core 10, 0.5, core 11, 0.5, core 12,
Core 10 is
0.5.
very... I don't know. Yeah.
Physical, 4.26 gigabytes of 5.86 gigabytes used, 72.8.
Yeah,
4.49 gigabytes of 11.86 gigabytes.
it said I had like 8 gigabytes of RAM, so I don't get why it's saying that. I'm so fucking angry at Amazon for this, because it said it should have 8 gigabytes. And the other person I know that bought the same computer got 16, and I got 5. Not even the advertised shit. That's pathetic. I will have to change my RAM stick.
C. NTFS drive, 320.93 gigabytes of
This is an
474.7
NTFS drive. I probably need to get a new drive too.
100 battery charging.
I always have my computer plugged in.
Physical, 4.27 gigabytes of 5.86 gigabytes used, 72.9.
Still the RAM here,
4.50 gigabytes of
I
11.86
guess.
gigabytes used, 38. Windows 11 23H2, Windows 11 23H2, AMD 64, build 22, 0 days, 2 hours,
23.
network, Svensson, signal strength.
Oh shit, Did I just share my network on a video? That was, not good. Well,
Search,
that
add-on store,
kind of sucks.
screenshot wizard, install
Okay,
version,
screenshot wizard.
202310.
I have not even checked on this. I just heard someone recommend it for me.
Input
Well,
gestures, screenshot with speed collapse 20, screenshot resource monitor, quick reset to fact, quick place mark is quick dictionary collapse 22 of
Why
36
is a
screenshot wizard,
fucking chip the word of
standard
attribute?
port to screenshot wizard, a layer of keyboard commands will be activated, using the key to take a screenshot, escape to cancel, see documentation for no more commands, collapsed 1 of 6 left, print screen, keyboard, all layouts, 1 of 1 level 2. Open the folder where the screenshot is stored, 2 of 6, open the last screenshot, take a screenshot of focused object directly, take a screenshot of current window directly, bypassing the keyboard command layer 4 of 6. Take a screenshot of focus. From tree view item from 0 to 0 with 0 for height 0. The reference object is tree view item. Take a from tree view item from tree view from tree from window from 660 328 to 1260 728 with 600 for height 400. The reference object is window 100. The rectangle is occupied by the object of reference. The reference object is completely inside the rectangle. The rectangle is inside the active window. The rectangle occupies 12 of the screen. Documents. Sound live 43 of screenshot. Input gestures row. Document doc. Screenshot the 18th of November 2000. Input gestures row 1 column. Add-on store. Input gestures. Full screen. Text documents. Add-on store. Installed. Add-on store. Sentence nav. Installed version. Speech history. Sentence nav.
Now
Installed
that's
version. 2.13.
something.
Channel.
It's a
Stable.
sentence
Desktop.
navigation.
Gmail.com. Status. Disabled.
I
23
should
of
make
32.
my own NVDA thing to distribute. I don't have a website yet. Fuck that up. I can type WordPress. Wow, what a surprise. WordPress doesn't work. And I could write my own HTML code. I know how to do that, but I just don't feel like writing new HTML code each time I should post something. Ow, stop. What? Ow. Ow.
Review and copying. Sentence nav.
Speech history, review and copying. This is speech history. You can like press Shift F12 and F11 to navigate speech thingy.
Take a screenshot of focused object. Take a full screenshot directly.
You can press F12 to copy it.
Size tray list.
To
Installed version.
Sys playlist. Okay, this is another one.
System tray list. Icons on the system tray. Show hidden icons.
This is another JAWS feature. I sometimes
privacy apps using your microphone. Of tray input indicators. Privacy apps using your microphone. Of Studio Steel Series GG5000.
It's okay, still Series GG using my microphone. That's just because it is a virtual Steel Series GG. It's like an improved and better off accessible version of your speaker. There is an accessible interface for what put together.
Tray input indicators.
I don't like dislike the work or anything. I just
left click or L, left up right click or down, cancel. Icons on the system tray.
Steel Series GG is better than voice reader in general, and everyone I like, even really is still no voice media, go with SteelSeries GG.
Volume
So,
SteelSeries Sonar. Network space and internet access.
SteelSeries GG is just the hub for a lot of SteelSeries services, and the one I'm using is Sonar, and that's the audio thing.
Volume SteelSeries Sonar. Gaming. SteelSeries Sonar virtual audio device. 58.
I have this set because not all my games support. With my games, I don't mean the games I made for, because no, my games are, well, all of my games are command line based. So yeah, so because not all of them supports directing the audio to special inputs and outputs, so I have a set of my standard, and everything that shouldn't go through that I redirect. And the chat from those games, I can't redirect that into my thingy because that also is not supported. Wow, audio game developers. Yeah. Going to sit here ranting about audio game developer not supporting shit that mainstream developers support them.
Power battery status. Fully charged
I'm
100.
not going to sit here being a dick or something.
Clock 12:16 p.m. 11/18/2023. Clock 12:16 p.m. 11/18/2023. Notifications. 10 new notifications. Clock tab net track show.
And you can click.
Taskbar.
Click. What? You can't.
Task running applications. Desktops. New desktop. Desk running
Done.
task. Doc folder view.
That's just so stupid.
Brave. Show. Brave. Show hidden icons hide. Pane dragging. Fold. System tray list. Icons on the system tray. Show hidden icons. Privacy. Show hidden icons. It's 12 o'clock and 19 minutes. It's 12 addon store. Installed addons. Oh, size. Pane drag. Folder view. Documents. Up to not videos column. STW documents. Up to not videos. ST documents. Up to
Oh,
video.
no.
ST documents. Up to videos. STW column. STW.
That's
nvda.
dumb.
Preference tool submenu.
Close it down.
Addons
Okay.
tab. Documentation. Screen. Sentence. Speech history.
No
Size. Tray
one
list. Screenshot
was
wizard. Installed.
suspicious.
Size. Tray list. Tony's enhancements. Installed.
Then we have
1.16.
Tony's
General. Stable.
enhancement.
Author.
This is
Disable D.
just some enhancement thingies that you can hide windows
Add typing
and
settings.
do
Installed version.
stuff like
0.2.
typing settings. This is the one I like the most because I closed again. Wow, I'm so clumsy. Yeah, this is the one I use for my keyboard sounds. I know it doesn't have all of the sounds but that one has, because yeah, I don't know why. This one just has much better delay thing. Like it's not as delayed.
Unmute Windows Audio. Installed.
Unmute Windows Audio. This is another thing that if your audio is muted on NVDA startup, it will unmute it. So no more booting your computer and won't be able to use it before a sighted person comes help you and realize that you're only on the login screen because NVDA was muted. No more of that, because this add-on doesn't happen. It just unmutes
Update channel
it.
selector. Installed version. 1.
Update channel selector. This is handy if you are someone who sometimes likes to use betas, because you can just go in to those settings and switch over to beta, and then you restart, and it will find an update and it will take you to the beta.
Virtual review. Installed version.
Virtual review. This is another JAWS feature. Wow, I have a lot of JAWS features installed. That's another JAWS feature, by the way. So it's basically like the JAWS virtual dialogue feature. Yeah, it just shows you the dialogue content in an accessible way.
Vocalizer Expressive 2.2 driver provided by Mind Health Project. Now.
Oh, shut up, computer. Yeah, that's my... Okay. Yes, I did. I almost feel guilty now because I didn't buy vocalizer thingy. But I didn't because... Two reasons. I don't really want to... It's a TTS voice, come on. I shouldn't have to pay to be able to use something that doesn't sound horrible. Second, I couldn't even find the vocalizer thing.
Vocalizer Expressive 2.1.2.
Oh no! I missed one add-on! I missed a lot of add-ons. Let me go here, wait.
Downloads. Earlier this year, Evil Satellite Explosion 80,000. Earlier this year expanded. Explosion 80,000. Evil
The thing is,
EP1 camera. Eloquence of add 150.
I had one more. Let me just... Wait, did it update the progress indicators? What? Did it update that? Okay, yeah, it's basically the eloquence. I had that installed yesterday. My vocalizer broke and I had to reinstall nvda. So yeah, I had vocalizer installed. I don't use it a lot since I got the vocalizer voices. If you wonder what vocalizer voice I use, I can check that later because I don't remember right off the top of my head. And then we had...
Earlier this year expanded. Rufus 4. Rufus Games Client RH Voice English SLT 4 1 200 RH Voice English Video 4 RH Voice 1 1 2 0 add-on 60 add-on install.
We had the RH voice.
Exit nvda download RH Voice add-on install. Yes or install restart nvda changes on no alt in. Yes or
it changed the progress indicator. That sucks. I like that previous progress indicator. Wi-Fi is the Linux boot sound in nvda. What is it doing that? nvda had nothing to do with Linux. That's weird.
Select RH Voice.
OBS 29.
And this is something I had to.
OBS 20.
RH voice. I had it in my downloads, so I know why.
Downloads.
I don't use it a lot, but I just have it.
Restart nvda. No alt yet.
Why is it doing that thing? That's dumb.
Rate voice. Rate boot. Rate 50, 52, 50, 61. Rate boost notch. Rate.
I don't really have anything against it.
48. 29.
I usually have my race boot around on and 30. That's enough for me.
Automatic language switching.
I wish VoiceOver had a rate boot option. That would make iPhones much better. I wonder if anyone knows this. Is there a jailbreak to make VoiceOver speak faster? If there is a tweak for that, I will definitely jailbreak. No, I'm just kidding. I will never, ever, ever jailbreak my device again. I did that with a previous phone and that didn't go well at all. So no jailbreaking. But Apple should include that.
Add-on store, install add-ons documentation,
yeah.
Installed version 20 promotes the resource RH voice
so that's that.
Installed version, speech history review and copying, size, tray list, toners and typing settings, unmute Windows audio,
Unmute
installed version, vocalizer expressive 2.0.
Those several add-ons I had, I think I had more.
Add-on updater,
Yeah, wait, I had WhatsApp Plus and Unigram Plus. Those are just enhancements for the WhatsApp and Unigram apps. No, not Unigram app, Telegram app. Now, let me show you what I mean with the delay. If I just go in here and do typing settings.
Create a new sound pack. Speak characters and edit. Speak words off play sounds while typing checked. Speak past play not checked. Speak past okay. Ob 9. Stop recording checked.
Not when I type, it just says so.
Settings.
Now if I go navigation sounds,
Keyboard typing sound. Navigation
keyboard typing sounds, yes. Now we do this.
Or internet resource. Speak mode off.
It's just sloppy and cutty and yeah, I don't like that kind of sound. What? What am I?
Speech mode.
What? Oh, there we go. My speech is back. That's good. That's good. I was almost a bit worried there. So now let's go to typing settings and play sounds while typing and then go navigation sounds and uncheck that. And now, what?
Folder view. Download row 1 of 29 1 2 profile nameless of 29. Recognizing rows of 29 Recognizing. Result. Edit. File. Edit. View. Of 29.
Why did that freeze?
Documents. Download. Of 29. 1. Of 29. 1. 2. Profile. Nameless. Scenes. Nameless. Of 2. Of 29. Of 2.
That's dumb.
Exit. Obs is currently active. All streams recordings will be shut down. Are you sure you wish to exit? No. Enter. Of 29.
Of course I
Use desktop audio.
do.
Volume
Okay,
slider.
there we
Desktop
go.
audio.
Let's
Download. Mode 1. Column 2.
fix.
Documents. Column 3. Of 29. 1. 2. Profile. Nameless.
Okay, there you go.
Documents.
And now if I type,
Space.
if I type now,
Speech
now
mode
if I read it
T.
with control,
This is much faster typing sounds. Desert. This seem much more responsive. Desktop.
yeah, it is. It truly is. I kind of have to email the developers to incorporate that thing into its add-on, because then I will make an updated little thing, maybe in one of my live streams, where I just do that, say that, yeah, it's okay now.
Page dragging.
But I don't think anyone will want to do that, because that would knock that standalone typing add-on out of the skies, if we say it like that. Well, no, not for
Not
very
brave pin. Show hidden icon.
One.
Folder view. Document 29. Download documents. Column 1.
There is
Audio. Use desktop volume slide properties for desktop audio. Document down of 29 of 2.
that, so we know that. But it could be a great thing. If you follow like some guides, like say press the button in the top right corner, and all the buttons are unlabeled, and then you can just navigate around the application window and try to find a sound in that top right corner.
Download of 29 documents. Documents.
So that
Items,
might-
nvda. Preference tools submenu T. View log L. Speech viewer S. View log documents. Items view. Screenshot. NVD. Preferences submenu. Tools submenu T. View log add-on store. Add-on store. Description. Installed add-ons. Search. Enable to save channel. Tab control. Available add-on selected channel. Include search. Available add-on. Add-ons. Doc. Add-on updater. Access. Add-on. Add-on. Altica. Add-on. Add-on. Access. Accessible. Allows access to an accessible agenda. Available add-on update. Proof of concept. Available add-ons. Document. Altica. Android application. Ask chat. Jeep. Audio. Cinematic. Apara. Envy. Ask chat. Audio. Autoplay. Bluetooth. Browser. Nat. Caliber. Carrot. Check-in. Click. Speak. Clock. Call. Count. Currency. Cursor. Loc. Custom. Day of the dictionaries. Dropbox. Drop. Day of custom notifications. Available. Choose how nvda should read Toast notifications. You can read just the application which send a toast and choose if notifications are spoken. This may improve your experience with Toast notifications and help you to keep your privacy. This may improve your experience with Toast notifications and help you to keep your privacy. Very search. Alt F like X post edge captioner. Zoom in X word nav. Windows app win with white WhatsApp weather plus. Wake speaker code line numbers. Wake speaker. VLC media player. This movement. Virtual review. UR update channel select unmute. Unigram. Unicode braille input. Type TT announcer. Of type Unicode braille input. Typing settings. Available version. 0 Unicode braille access description. Available add-ons. Access 8 math. Unicode braille input. Just displays a text field to type numeric braille. E.g. 1345 1236 145 1 and converts it into Unicode braille characters. Available typing settings. Of TT announcer. Of translate. This add makes it possible to reach chats in team talk client with separate. This add available add. Translate. Available version 2022 0 uses the Google Translate API to translate each spoken text to the desired language. Training keyboards toolbars explorer of toners enhancement tone master time zoner
Time zoner.
time and date in selected time zones. Use the settings dialog to set time zones you want to hear. After you do this, press NVDA or up down arrow to cycle through your time zone ring and hear times in your selected time zones. Press NVD available Thunderbird G5 Thunderbird G4 Thunderbird. This plugin identifies Tesseract OC up tele NVDA side track switch synth available station playlist speech log.
Oh, and if you use Vocalizer, never, ever install Switch Synth. That will screw you over in terms of Vocalizer BTS. It happened to me. I don't want to demo it. It would be lots of work for me to install from.
Speak key available version sound center of sound manager of sentence nav available search with screenshot wizard of say current keyboard language say product name and version say control type before label available review cursor copy say control type before flexible add-on allow NVDA to announces the type and state of the GUI controls before the label the names of types and state can also be customized. The add-on supports checkboxes, radio buttons and checkable menu items. Available review cursor copy force monitor. Available review cursor copier just provides various commands for copying the text under the review cursor. Available application module. Available app module per 10 to v3. App module per 10 to v. Access 8 math. Accessible access 10 documents. Download NVDA speech viewer column 4404. Documents and read only multi-line. Shows read only documents. NVDA. Reference tools.
That's not really. That's gonna be easy. I just should donate.
Running out of add-ons. Vocalizer. Virtual update channel select. Unmute. Type is size. Screens. Resources. Remote. Quick diction. Replace mouse. PC. Keep. NVDA. No beat. Speed navigation. Not select. Kill. NV. Input lock. Golden cursor. Fen code. Golden cursor G. Documents. Items view. Golden cursor with 3 items or level 1 golden cursor.
Oh, I remember that from yours, I think. My god, why is so many add-ons copying yours? That's weird. Okay.
Golden cursor level 1 with 3 items author. Select download NVDA capacity on allows you to move the mouse using a keyboard and save mouse positions for applications. Level 2 key commands with 9 items. Control NVDAL. View set gestures to these positions from Control NVDAL. View save mouse positions for an application, if any. You can also gestures to these positions from this dialog when pressed be performed in a saved position. Shift NVDAL. Save a tag or a label for the current mouse position in the currently focused application. Windows NVDAC. Change mouse movement unit. Windows NVDAR. Toggle mouse restriction. Windows NVDAS. Toggle reporting of mouse position in pixels. Windows NVDAJ. Move mouse to a specific X and Y position. Windows NVDA. Report mouse position. Windows NVDAM. Switch mouse arrows on or off. Windows NVDA arrow keys or just arrow keys if mouse arrows is on. Move mouse. Note: these gestures can be reassigned via NVDA's input gest category. Level 2 notes. With 6 items when sharing positions. Tags. Each party should use same display resolution. For maximum compatibility, you should maximize Windows by pressing Windows up arrow. When sharing positions, existing position labels should be renamed. Version 1X and 2X mouse position format are incompatible. To perform functions that require use of arrow keys, turn off mouse arrows first. When deleting saved positions, if there are no saved positions left, positions application will be cleared. Level 2 version 6.2. With 2 items requires NVDA level with 6 items at level 2 version 6.2 with 6 items level 2. V with 2 items requires NVDA 2022.4 or later. Level 2 version 6. With 2 items requires NVDA 2022.4 or later. Compatible with NVDA level 2 version 6.1 with 2 items requires now shortcut a left now. You can assign shortcuts for saved positions from the positions list when pressing a.
Yeah, I think
wallet,
you
Leo.
get the.
Bookmarks, Leo.
What is Leo?
Main landmark Leo. Graphical
What the hell is this?
Brave Leo is an about Leo. Brave Leo is an IE smart assistant that can summarize web questions. Brave Leo Premium uses advanced IE models for even more nuanced replies and gives early access to new features. The accuracy of responses is not guaranteed and may include inaccurate, misleading, or false information. Health, finance, no next edit. Leo does not collect, accept and begin. Brave talk, Leo. Enter a prompt here multi-line blank. Send message to Leo. Enter a prompt here multi-line backspace.
Let's have a bit of fun with this. It says enter a prompt here. I will enter a prompt.
Send message to Leo.
Huh.
Send message to Leo. Enter a prompt here. You. What's your question or request? Please. You. What's your prompt here? Leo settings. Leo settings. A prompt here. What's your question or request? Please. You. What's your question or request? Please keep it concise and factual, and I'll do my best to assist. You. Enter a prompt here multi-line.
So,
You. What's your prompt here? Leo settings. Erase conversation history. Leo. Erase. Leo settings.
when did
Leo settings.
they named it Leo?
Lana 2. Leo settings.
That's weird.
Lana 2-13 V chat. Leo. Main landmark. Leo settings. Enter.
Let's go with
Main
that.
collapse. Screenshot.
That was a good joke, I think. I like it.
RG-41 Luna RSS Jungle Audio 2 GMA Discord backup code TXT desktop beneath default ID Deathmatch Project Al Data 30 contacts on all Clonefish Voice Changer Bologna Sandwich Wild 29 and 14 website Voice and
So
27
that's my video.
collapse status of 29 volumes properties for desktop audio 2 mute volume sliders properties control settings studio mode not configure virtual settings exit settings
What weird is happening now?
exit settings studio mode not checked configure virtual camera start virtual camera not checked stop recording checked manage broadcast not checked start streaming.
That's so funny. It just removed the wrong.
Manage broadcast not checked. Start streaming not checked. And preference tools preference settings S.
That's dumb.
General 1 of 32. NVDA test navigation sound 25 of navigate play roles not checked.
Where's the Linux boot? Okay.
Of 2 scene transitions window. Controls window. Start streaming checkbox not checked. Manage broad stop recording. Manage broad stop recording checkbox checked. Start virtual camera checkbox not checked. Configure start virtual checked. No yes button enter. No button of 29. Configure start virtual camera checked. No sources. No yes but of 29. Configure stop virtual camera checkbox not checked. Configure virtual camera start virtual camera checkbox not checked. Configure studio mode checkbox not checked. Settings button. Checked. Settings exit button. Settings studio mode set exit audio mixer window volume slider for mute property volume slider for mix slider minus 0.0.
No, I can just.
Mix checkbox not controls window. Pause transition button. Slider scenes window. Slider 0. Seat sources window. Audio mixer window. Scene transit. Audio mixer window. Grouping.
Like just
Blank.
update
Right,
navigation there.
Blank. Top blank.
Doesn't work.
Scene transition window. Duration spin add configurable transition button. Exit dots dialog.
Oh
button.
shit!
Of
I
control,
almost
manage
closed it
broadcast,
down.
stop
I
recording,
can't do
virtual
that
camera
in
button.
recording. I didn't notice that. Well, that's that video. Oh, and I want this one a little bit.
Configure virtual camera button. Start virtual camera checkbox not checked. Stop recording checkbox.